Hi dear students, welcome to Sunshine Learning School. I am hoping that all of you are very happy now. As you know, today's class is English. So today I will teach you, my dear students, on tense. Firstly, I want to inform you what is tense. Tense means the time of action. Now we have to explain about tense very briefly. Let's see the board. Present tense. Here you can see, dear students, present tense. What is present tense? Present tense means the function which is done at the present time is called present tense. Now I will arrange a structure on this tense. Subject plus verb 1 plus object or extension. You can see, dear students, the structure on present tense: subject plus verb 1 plus object or extension. Now let's see the sentence. We study regularly. We study regularly. This is the example of present tense. Here you see, the students, subject we, study B1, that means base from present form, and extension here regularly. This is the example of present tense. Now dear students, we can see about past tense. What is past tense? The work which was done in the past is called past tense. Let's see about the past tense. First, structure: subject plus verb 2 plus object or extension. You can see, the students, the structure on past tense: subject plus verb 2 plus object or extension. Now let's see example. We did last year. We did IELTS course last year. The students, this is the example of past tense. We did IELTS course last year. Here subject we, verb to did, object IELTS course last year, extension. Now Let's see the students on future tense. Future tense. What is future tense? Future tense, the work which will be done next or tomorrow or in future is called future tense. Now let's see structure. Subject plus will, shall plus verb 1 plus object or extension. This is the structure of future tense. The student, subject plus shall or will plus verb 1 plus object or extension. Now let's see example. Meena will do her task tomorrow afternoon. This is the example future tense. Meena will do her task tomorrow afternoon. Here you can see the students. Meena is used as subject, will verb 1, that means present form, base form, do object her task tomorrow afternoon extension. Here you can see the student on future tense, structure subject plus will or shall. We have used will, retained shall. Let's see another example on future tense by using shall. I shall be magician in future. You can see the students, the example of future tense. I shall be a magician in future. Now the students, you have learned meanwhile the uses of shall or will. We should use will with second and third person, and shall we should use first person. Okay, the students, we have already completed our three tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. We have completed. Now by following this structure along with example, I can assure all of you, my dear students, if you do it, if you follow this structure along with this example, and I am hoping that you will learn more and more thing about tense. You can use by using your own words by following this structure along with this example at your home, and I long for doing better. Now my dear students, today's class is now finished. I will say this, as you know, our whole country is going through a crisis, so we must be careful and conscious about the present situation. We will not go out. We have not any urgent work, and if we have urgent work, and we must put on mask, and the mask must be sanitary and healthy, dear students. But remember, my dear students, besides study, we should take physical exercise to strengthen ourselves in order that we can free from the disease. Anyway, my dear students, you should bear in mind that first life, then study. Thank you all the best.